Getting older is really wild because I swear to God, not too long ago, I was out here shutting shit down in the club. You know what I'm saying? I was out here pussy popping in a handstand and stanky legging and dropping down and getting my ego on whenever I wanted to. And like it's nothing. Like it was nothing. And today I sneezed too hard in the shower and I pulled something in my back. My back is broken, spinal. So, and I'm scared I'm literally one sneeze away from life alert. One sneeze away from losing my life. That's scary. So the tables, they do be turning.